Here I'd like to talk about the Page Builder functionality. So Page Builder, let's dive into it now. This is a video that I recorded. I'm going to click these three dots and go into Page Builder. This lets us add more information to a video itself. So we have, typically the title and the file itself, but let's say you want to add other elements. So like for one, we could say, hey, let's change the logo, or let's change the colors. That's what this does. Okay, so, and then we can obviously do the highlight color, that we can upload a logo as well. So to this, that's going to be present for this video. But let's say you want to add elements, and elements are things, think of them like part of a site or like a regular website builder. Let's say you want to add some text, and this would be, it's Markdown supported, so we would be adding some instructions, let's say, and let's say some bullet points, step 1, then it'll be step 2, step 3. We can align it, we can size them, but like let's say that's what we want. And so now we added this text object, and what we can do is, let's say this video headline we don't want, so we can get rid of that, and we just have this text now. We can also take this text, move it all the way to the top, and have it as a introductory part of the video, and fill, you can imagine the case where you fill this out. Let's keep going. So what you can also do is add a button, like a call to action. And let's say this would go to some website. You could color the button, place the button, and we have a call to action. And we can build out more. So we could say, if we want to, let's say, add attachments to this video. So attachments will let me, let's see if I can find some file, like this. So this would be some document. And so what we just did now is add an attachment directly to this video. So that means that the person who gets it would see this. This is the preview. So we can preview what we have. We have these basic instructions, and we have a call to action, and we have this file that someone can download. Uploading only I can do it because I own this video, so they wouldn't see this. But you can take it and you can download the file. So as you can see, what the problem this solves is it consolidates information into one place, where people typically send a video, and then, hey, go to Google Drive or Dropbox to get this, and you don't have to do that. And you can do other things here as well. So you could say add an embed, so you can embed like a Google form in here, or some other object like a quiz or something that you need. You can upload an image, so if I wanted an image to be part of this page, I can do that with some screenshots or something like that. Obviously social links. And then you can also add more videos. So if I wanted to do, imagine like a step-by-step sequence. Step 1 is do this, step 2 would be something like this, and then you can build these out, and then what happens is, as an out, like, let me publish this just to give, yeah, just publish. It creates this, and so it's kind of messy because I'm just demoing what this is, but you get the sense of how to build these out, and you have that functionality if you need to do this, and there's plenty of use cases for just the ability to add more context to your video files. Thanks.